In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access a FinTech course at Harvard, step by step, so you can get started with one of the most in-demand skills in finance and technology. If you've been looking to learn about financial technology, blockchain, digital payments, or FinTech innovation directly from a world-class institution, this guide is for you. I'll walk you through the exact process to find the course, enroll, complete your payment, and officially start learning. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button if you find this helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software and online learning tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to the official Harvard website. You want to make sure you're always on the authentic Harvard domain to avoid third-party sites or scams. Once you're on the Harvard website, look for the search bar, which is usually located at the top of the page. Click on the search bar and type in FinTech. This will bring up different results related to financial technology programs, online courses, and professional education offered by Harvard. From the search results, carefully click on the FinTech course that best matches your learning goals. Many of these courses are offered through Harvard Online or Harvard Business School Online, and they are designed for professionals, students, and beginners who want structured, high-quality learning. Once you click on the FinTech course, you'll be taken to a detailed course page where you can read about the curriculum, instructors, course duration, and what skills you'll gain by the end. Take a moment to review all the information on this page. You'll usually see details like weekly modules, video lectures, assignments, and sometimes real-world case studies. This is also where you can check whether the course is self-paced or follows a fixed schedule. When you're ready to move forward, look for the Enroll button on the course page and click on it. After clicking Enroll, you'll be asked to either sign in or create an account. If you already have a Harvard Online account, simply log in using your email and password. If you're new, follow the prompts to create an account by entering your basic details, such as your name, email address, and password. Make sure to use an email address you check regularly, as all course updates and confirmations will be sent there. Next, you'll be taken to the payment section. Here, you'll see the course fee, along with any available payment options. Carefully fill in your billing details, select your preferred payment method, and complete the payment process. Once the payment is successful, you'll receive a confirmation message and an email verifying your enrollment in the FinTech course. Now comes the best part. After enrollment is complete, you can officially start your course. Log into your Harvard account, go to your dashboard, and you'll see the FinTech course listed there. Click on it to access the course materials, watch the lectures, complete assignments, and track your progress as you learn. And that's it. You've successfully accessed and enrolled in a FinTech course at Harvard. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.